Part of the problem of this question is that they've mixed up the units. We've got kilograms and we've got grams. So it's important we know how many grams there are in a kilogram. So I'm going to start off with that. There are 1,000 grams, not 100, 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Okay, and of course we've only got 0.75 kilograms of cereal in this box. So it looks like the 1 has been multiplied by 0.75 to get to 0.75 kilograms. But of course, what I do to one side, I must do to the other. So I'm going to times this 1,000 grams by 0.75. And that tells me that I have 750 grams in the box. Now, this lady, she only eats 40 grams out of the 750. So when you say out of, that's a fraction. So she's eating 40 out of 750. I'd write that down, and then we can always simplify the fraction, can't we? So she's eating 40 grams out of a possible 750 grams each day. And I'm just going to check on my calculator, but I'm pretty sure that's going to cancel down to 4 out of 75. So 40 out of 750, press equals, and it will simplify the calculator for you to 4 out of 75. And we've given our answer in its simplest form. So we've definitely answered the question there. Right, the next question is about 6.8 grams of protein for every 100 grams. So that's already a percentage. So what we can do is I'm going to turn that 6.8 out of 100, okay, which is a percentage, which is already out of 100, into a fraction using my calculator. And we've got a fraction of an amount. Percentage of an amount is a fraction of an amount, okay? So 6.8 out of 100 of her normal meal, 40 grams, is going to be protein. So what I've done is, if you can see, I've divided by 10 because 100 grams becomes 10 grams if I divide by 10. So for every 10 grams of cereal, she's got 0.68 grams of protein. But of course she's got 40 grams in her breakfast, so now I'm going to multiply it by 4. So this is a way you can sort of really visualise how we're going to get the answer, hopefully. So here we go, 0.68 times by 4, and that tells me that she's having, fraction, I press the SD button, 2.72. She's having 2.72 grams of protein in her bowl of cereal for every bowl of cereal. Okay. Right, next part is we're just going to do a simple percentage. Percentage per means divide, isn't it? And cent means 100. So just write some space over here. Here we go. So for every 3 grams out of every 40 grams that she has for breakfast, okay, I'm going to write that as a fraction. 3g out of 40, and then I multiply it by 100. And that's how to work out your percentage. If you do a math test, let's say you got 3 out of 40, of course you won't, but if you did, to get a percentage, you would do 3 out of 40 and times it by 100, that gives you the percentage. And that's what we have to do here. So 3 out of 40 times by 100, and that gives me the percentage. Now I might have to press SD, there you go, and it says 7.5%. And that's our answer. Okay, so I think it's time now to have a look at the examiner's report, and let's see, the biggest mistake, students thinking there's 100 grams in a kilogram. It's not, it's 1,000. Okay, so I should get that one right. And part B, yes, remember it's the protein in an individual bowl of cereal, not in the whole packet, just in the bowl that she eats each day. And the last one, the percentage, you divide by the amount and then times by 100. And it looks like we got the right answers.